It is by the sheer effort of a significant number of sectors and citizens that the impeachment complaint remains alive. Clearly, our institutions have been slow in responding to a citizenry asserting the rights under the Constitution to hold a high official accountable. A nationwide coalition including Tindig Pilipinas, Nagkaisa Labor Coalition, Katipunan ng mga Kilusang Masa, Siklab or Simbahan at Komunidad Laban sa Katiwalian, the proponents of the various citizen-led impeachment complaints, and various other religious and civil society organizations calls on the Senate to proceed with the impeachment trial to tell all the evidence or for or against Vice President Sara Duterte and let it be heard, and to render a clear verdict on the complaint against her. We call on the executive, the House of Representatives, the Senate, and the Supreme Court to ensure that the impeachment trial proceeds and that the process is completed. This is the only way for the country to move forward. At the Supreme Court at Padre Faura, we will meet on July 22 at 9 a.m. and at the People Power Monument on July 25, 3 p.m. And we call on all Filipinos to join us for those two activities in order to ensure that our voices are heard. Before ending my intervention today, let me announce again the two large activities that we call on others to join us. On July 22, we will have a symbolic appeal to the justices outside the Supreme Court in Padre Faura at 9 a.m. And on July 25, we will have a People's Rally for Accountability. Huwag i-dismiss, ituloy ang paglilitis, impeachment trial now na. We will start at 3 in the afternoon at the People Power Monument. We are also having other series of activities apart from this, but we call on others to join us for these two activities. Thank you.